Hello everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining. So today I am in my family room, which is on the back side of my home, and I want to share with you how I lightened this space up over the couch because on a dark day, like it's 9:30 in the morning and this area is kind of dark. Now this corner do have a lamp, which the lamp serves the corner really well for when I'm reading a book and cozying up with my grandson to read him a book. The lamp is serves really well for that space. However, when it's really a dark morning or a dark time of the day, this room in space is dark. Now, as you can see, this is the other side of the room where the window is, and it's a little bit of light coming in right now, but for a really dark, gloomy, or rainy day, this space can be very dark. Now, I do have a light in the ceiling, but sometimes it's very light, it's bright. So sometimes I don't like to use it in the middle of the day. But in this video, guys, I'm going to share with you what I use to lighten up this space. So I have these rechargeable wall sconces that I've gotten from Amazon, and I'm going to use them in a slightly different way than you would normally just put them to the wall. And I got that idea from another content creator, and I just thought maybe I could share it with you guys as well. Some of you may have seen others do this or not, I'm not sure, but I thought I would just share it with you guys so you can see it's another way to use these sconces. So I wanted to unbox it so you guys can see what it looks like and the packaging looks like. But this is the lampshade, and the charging port is inside of this part of it, and it comes with a cord for each shade to charge, as well as 2 remote controls. And guys, I'm just going to finish putting it together. Now here is a piece of decorative wood or shutter that I'm going to use, similar to a shutter that I'm going to use, and this is where I'm not going to attach the sconce to the wall. I'm going to attach it to this. So basically, guys, what I did is took the mounted piece that will be mounted to the wall out of there, and then I attached it to the shutter or this wood piece with some zip ties. So I have it secure really tight there. And then I'm just gonna put this piece on here as if it was the wall. Now here is a closer look of the charging port, where you can see now you have to either take it off to charge it or get an extension cord if if it's too high on the wall for the cord to reach the socket. Either way, that is how you charge it. And then also, as I mentioned earlier, here are a look at the 2 remotes, and all of the colors are on there. Now guys, I'm really loving the way even the look looks when it's done without the lights. In the daytime, I like the look of this. It matches really well for what I have going here. So I'm really loving these particular sconces. But there are different ones that they have on Amazon. Now here are the different colors. This is the bright white, and you can dim it how high, low, however you would like. And then you have all of the different colors. So you can go through the whole color scheme. And then also you'll see, I'll show you guys here where you can, it has a flashlight where you can dance with the music. It goes with music. It also has like a flashing going as well. So I wanted you guys to see what it looks like at nighttime, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I have the setting set at the brightest white. Well guys, that completes this video, and hopefully it has been an inspiration for some of you who may be having the same issue for lighting in a space or in a room, and hopefully it gives you another way to use them other than just mounting them on the wall. Either way, the lighting in the space it actually helps out. So hopefully this have been inspirational for you all. Now for my next video, it will be my fall home tour and for this year, and then following will be start of my Christmas videos. So until next time, I will see you guys in those videos, and you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye bye.